What's going on, guys? My name is Kyle. You have made it to Obsessed Auto, and today working on a blue Civic. See something different? It's not, supposed to be there. So the customer put these on, and they have since started peeling, and as you can tell, it is just a carbon fiber vinyl. He's not impressed. I'm not either. They've been on here for less than a year. Any vinyl should last longer than a year, but not this stuff. So he did use 3M adhesive to put them on. So I feel as though getting them off is going to be a pain in the butt. I hope I'm wrong. Hopefully we can just use a little heat, maybe some acetone, get it off. I don't know. If you want to see this, stay along for the ride. Let's see if I can ruin a Honda Civic's paint job. All right, guys, so I'm a terrible filmer. Got them all off. Didn't take too long. Let me just throw my detail spray. So I don't know if this will show up on camera, but we have a nice little outline of where the plastic was. So we're definitely gonna have to polish the doors. It doesn't show up at all. That just looks perfect. So got the detail spray that I threw. Old school clay. I'm gonna get to work on this and get this polished up. We'll probably just do a majority of the door just so it doesn't look weird, because there's swirls and scratches throughout the whole thing. So anyways, that was quite a bit easier than I thought it was going to be, so I think the customer will be very, very happy with that. See what we can get accomplished. All right, guys, yet again, terrible at filming. I'm sorry, but got it all polished up over here. I think it looks pretty damn good. I think the customer's going to be very happy, and comparatively speaking to these little, I don't even know, they look like Batman little, like, watch out. I don't even know, but yeah, definitely had 3M double-sided adhesive tape. If this would have been prepped right, would have been very interesting to get off of here. Fortunately, I don't think he used alcohol to prep the surface. That's a win for me. Not necessarily him, but I guess him as well, because now instead of being a very expensive job, it's going to be a lot less expensive. So anyways, hopefully you guys like the way this looks, because I absolutely love this paint. Love this color. I'm a sucker for a blue car. So anyways, I'm gonna polish out these two side doors over here, and then I've got another project to go toy with, so I may bring you guys along. I don't know how my buddy feels about having a camera in his face. Not all of us are weird. I don't know. Anyways, there's that. I'll see you guys in a second. All right, so per usual on everything else today, I've not brought you along for the ride. However, we got the doors polished, everything taken care of on that end. Everything looks fairly good. That's where we're at with this project. Let me bring you through the dirty garage. Had a garage sale, and it's just atrocious in here. I can't do anything inside, so it's very exciting. So here is my project that I went to Lawrence, Kansas last night to pick up. This is a 15,000 watt generator. So 15,000 watts means that I could run that, the whole house, probably the neighbor's house, probably that neighbor's house. Like, this thing is rowdy. But I picked up a whole bunch of generators from this individual. The best part of this whole thing, electric start. Like a freaking champ. Like a champ. So anyways, if you're in the Wichita, Kansas area, you need a badass generator, leave a comment down below. Let's meet up, get this thing going, because I've got 5 more that I need to play with. So anyways, that's where we're at right now, guys. This is turning more into a vlog, so I have no idea what the title for this video is going to be. But we are getting there, and we're getting there together. Kinda, for the most part. You guys haven't been along for any of the action, but you've been along for me talking about the action. So anyways, I will see you guys in a few seconds. Alright guys, so way different change of scenery here. Shorter beard, different attire. Just working on getting this edited right now. I just figured out that I did not make an outro. So anyways, I want to thank you guys for sticking around for this very, very sloppy video. I promise in the future I will work on being a lot better at holding this camera. Anyways, if you guys did like this video, please smash that thumbs up button. If you want to see vlog type videos in the future, leave a comment below. I don't think my life's that interesting, but you know what? It might be to one of you guys.